friends, today I am going to share with you a short story which I have recently gone through while reading a book. It's a story of Mr. Henry Ford. Yes, you are right. He is the founder of Ford Motor Company, USA. So what happened once, Henry Ford took a journalist to the court. As the journalist, in an article, he claimed that Henry Ford is not only dull, but a very big stupid. So the defense lawyer, he put Henry Ford in the witness box and bombarded him with a number of questions related to history, related to journal knowledge, and to the most of the questions, Henry Ford says, sorry, I don't know the answer. After a long session of question answer, the defense lawyer, he turned towards the jury and says, okay, I think I have proved my point. He don't know the answer to any question. To this, Henry Ford says, I'm a businessman. Why should I know the answer to these questions? And if I will be in my office and I need to answer these questions, on my desk there are a console of buttons and I know exactly which button to press to call a person. As if you ask me a question related to any motor engine, I'll call the bestest of engineer from my company. If you will ask a question related to tax, I know that I have to call my CA. He'll be able to answer you. I should know. I think I should know all the answers related to how to grow a business, how to make my business more powerful, and how to expand my business. And I am putting in all my energy and resources on my business only. One more thing, so that's the story, it's a short story. What I want to put stress on, he given one statement there, and that's what clicked me. He said, I am a C grade student, but in my company, a number of A grade students are working for a paycheck, and this clicks me. See, students, these days, the world is being ruled by C grade students. You may have seen all the A grade students, they will go to IIT, Harvard, IIM, and after passing out, they will be working on topmost positions in the companies. But they are not owners of the company. The owners of the company, the biggest companies, the most successful companies in the world, they are still run by average mediocre persons. The persons who were not too good in their studies, they may or may not be, but they are good here. They know about the business. They know exactly what to do to make their business good. So you should never afraid of the failures which can come on your way. You should always focus on the goal. You should see that how far you can go with a strong determination. So, the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are actually the ones who change it. Successful people don't do different things. They do things differently, right? So don't wish it were easier. Wish you could be better than that. With these thoughts, I would like to take off. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.